Friday was a textbook balance day in the NASDAQ. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the 4 auction tools we used to be able to determine the market condition and the proper setups we use to trade it. First, let's start with the initial balance. The initial balance is the high and low of the first hour of the regular trading hours. So with the NASDAQ, that's 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. New York time. A key characteristic of a textbook balance day is trading between the initial balance, high and low, for a majority of the session. We really didn't even come close to testing either level. Tool number 2 is the VWAP with 1 standard deviations. When we trade between the deviation bands, this is another hallmark of a balanced day in the market. This is where we look to fade the value area extremes or the deviation bands back to the VWAP, which serves as a price magnet. Tool number 3 is going to be our session volume profile. And as you can see, we have a very clear distribution on the volume profile with a clean value area high and a value area low. And the same concepts apply. We fade the value area extremes, the outside of value, right back to the point of control, which is the highest volume point in the volume profile. And lastly, tool number 4 is going to be the VWAP wave RSI. When we trade between the upper and the lower value bands, this is again another hallmark of a balanced trading market. When price reaches each upper band or lower band, this is the fade value area extreme spot. And again, we'll fade it right back to the point of control. Now, the best part, when you put them all together, we have multiple auction tools with multiple layers of confluence telling us to take the same exact setups. It doesn't get any better than that. High probability in our favor. Setup number 2 out of the VWAP wave system, and we're fading value area extremes most of the session. If you want to see how professional traders use these tools to select one of the 4 core setups of the VWAP wave system, just put the word setup in the comments below, and I'll send you a link to our free VWAP wave core setup guide and an invite to our free Discord community. And we look forward to having you in the group soon.